G'day guys, my name's Ben and welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be reviewing a microphone kit that the team at Fifine sent over to me, and it's their new T669 microphone kit. And take note of the word kit because it comes in quite a reasonably sized box. But obviously the hero product is their microphone, which obviously is a pretty healthy size as well, I'll have to say. This is their T669 microphone, but there is a whole heap of kit in this box. So rather than jumping in and telling you all about the product while looking at the camera with the computer behind me, let's set it up and actually do a proper review while we're testing the product. And if you are liking this video, guys, please think about liking and subscribing as well. All right, and let's jump in. All right, everyone, so what I've done is I've simply set the Fifine T669 microphone up on my desk now. It's on the boom arm, hanging out in front of my face, and I'll have to say the experience of setting it up was really easy. There's really good quality parts on this considering the price point. Now the great thing about this microphone is it truly is plug and play. So all I did was get the USB cable, plug it in the computer. About 10 seconds later, I opened up Adobe Audition and I'm recording into the system right now. The great thing about this system too is there's no extra setup or software settings that you need to do. You don't need any extra audio equipment. This microphone has one amazing feature, and that is the volume gain control on the actual microphone. And the great thing about that is if you're a little bit too loud, just turn it down. Or if it's a little bit too quiet, just turn it up. The fact that you can control the volume on this is really important for anyone who's looking to get into the audio game. And I'll have to say too, once you start assembling all of this kit together, you really do appreciate there's kind of a decent level of quality here as you assemble everything. And even whether it's kind of adjusting all the little knobs and dials all around the boom arm to get the tensioning right, or actually screwing in all the components and everything together, there is certainly a level of quality that you wouldn't expect. It is really genuinely impressive what you're getting here. And I'll have to say too, even looking at the finer details of this product, like you get a cable management sleeve with the logo on. The USB cable is of good quality and is branded. And let's talk about the instruction manual. Like that actually comes in a colored booklet. Like I don't know too many Amazon products that come with that kind of level of detail and thought. It really is, from the unboxing process to assembly, a really good experience. Now I have to say the Fifine microphone's doing a great job in audio quality in what I can see so far, and obviously just recording straight into Audition, I can even see I'm getting some pretty good results here as well. Now what you're hearing from the Fifine microphone is this is straight off the microphone. There is no post-processing involved. You are hearing exactly what the microphone is picking up at this distance from my face. Now, the Fifine microphone, obviously the boom arm might not be for everyone, but what I'm really happy with is the fact that that kit that you get contains multiple options as well. So if you're kind of like me and maybe you have a ginormous desk and this arm isn't quite long enough for you, or perhaps maybe you don't like the look of it on your desk, or maybe it just gets in the way, well, there still is the tripod option for you. And it's actually a pretty good quality tripod as well. The only thing I wish the tripod had was maybe if that mount was a little bit more friendly for other purposes. I would have loved to attach like a GoPro or something onto that, or even my phone. But otherwise, yeah, really good that the kit gives you a whole heap of different options. Now, one option I didn't show you yet was the pop filter, which also comes in the box. And this is a really good one as well. So here's a quick example of this anyway. So just to show you without this on, if I was going to make a lot of popping noises, you might get some really good peaks or clipping in your audio, and this will help reduce that. So hopefully the pop filter here will show you there's a little bit of an opportunity to improve the audio quality once again by making sure that you're kind of cutting out all those harsh noises that you might accidentally produce, especially with those popping noises and things like that. But overall, I think this whole kit is better suited to not using it. I have found this a little bit weighty on the boom arm, and unfortunately the mounting clip, while it is sturdy on the desk, my desk unfortunately doesn't have a thick enough edge to allow it to attach properly, at least in the places that I need to. And what that's meant is this actually kind of pulls the weight of the arm down and eventually kind of pulls it off. Now down here in Australia, this microphone kit is on Amazon for $99.95. So for under $100, you get an entire kit of audio equipment for your computer. And I am really surprised at how good all this quality of materials is. You really do get the best of everything for the price point. And I'll have to say, as someone who does own like fancier audio equipment like the Rode NT USB, which on its own is about $200 to $300, and I'm sure a lot of you might be familiar, but sometimes buying better equipment comes with a steeper learning curve. And I'll have to say, even looking at the Rode NT USB microphone that I just showed you, that has a more complicated setup process and is harder to use in comparison to something like this. If you really do want a stress-free microphone that you just plug in and get started within seconds, I can't think of too many options that you could go for to get this level of quality for under $100. The best thing about this microphone kit is it gives you everything you need and it can be adapted to other uses. You have a few different choices in the kit too, so you have different opportunities. If a boom arm doesn't work, you've got the tripod and so on and so forth. And I think with simplicity in mind, the great thing about this is you could be using this microphone to record your YouTube videos, your Zoom meetings, your gaming sessions, your live chats, whatever you're doing, this microphone is going to probably put you in the top 99% of people. From what I've experienced so far with the Fifine T669 microphone kit is I think whoever buys this, you are definitely going to get a lot of value out of it. And I think you'll be really thankful that you bought it, because when you do upgrade your equipment to whatever comes next, you'll be really thankful that this taught you and educated you so you know exactly what you want to buy for the next round when you're going to upgrade to that next level. Now, if you are interested in comparing the audio quality to something next level, I do have the Rode NT USB here, and what I will actually do is set this up so you can hear the difference in audio quality, because I think you will be surprised at the difference between them, because in my opinion, unless you really are an audiophile, there's not a significant difference. Hello, this is an audio recording test on the Fifine microphone. Hello, this is an audio recording test on the Rode NT USB microphone. What do you think of the audio quality from the Rode microphone? Is it worth the extra $100 or $200? I know if I was looking for my first microphone, I would most likely be buying the Fifine microphone kit. Now, I hope you found this video helpful, guys. Please think about liking and subscribing to the channel as well. It is greatly appreciated. And until next time, we'll see you around for another video. Have a good one. Cheers.